This Ramadan brings with it 18-hour fast at the peak of summer, a challenge for the body and mind. In this short video, we look at what happens to your body when you fast. Less blood will be flowing to your digestive system when you fast, so more blood will be sent to other tissues in your body. In addition, your body will use the fasting period to remove deposits of cholesterol that line the blood vessels. When you breathe, your body can absorb thousands of toxins which are infused in the environment around us. Fasting helps us remove the toxins that have built up within your lungs. Your stomach uses the time during fasting to clean itself and remove any waste matter to allow for more efficient digestion. Your intestines also use the time during fasting to clean themselves and remove any waste matter to allow for more efficient digestion. Your liver provides the body with glycogen, the secondary energy source, and breaks down fat to provide glycerol, another energy source. When you are fasting, your kidneys increase the amount of diuresis, the process of excretion of salt and water, which leads to lower blood pressure. The month of fasting can be extremely beneficial for us, mentally, spiritually, and physically. As long as you eat the right foods and don't push yourself too hard physically, you may find yourself in a healthier state at the end of the month.